How did you find your way in here? I can no longer tolerate your interference. We are on the verge of immortality, and you are just a weak man from a land that knows nothing of our magic. You cannot stop us.
This is it. This must be the power crystal device Davenport's looking to sell. Lori! Lori, are you all right? Lori, talk to me!
Well done. You have defeated Simatep. The crystal device he was using is very powerful and could prove itself useful to you. But be careful, as it is both dangerous and difficult to understand. As for Lori, I will return her to the trailer in the compound to recover from what has happened here. Now, you must go and stop the evil ones.
Good. I'll get in and see if this waterway takes me to where Davenport is. They probably contain the artifacts. There must be an exit out of here that Davenport and his men are using to remove the treasures. I've got to stop them.
Who's there? Is someone there? I'm armed. I've got a gun. Nice going, Cameron. You really screwed things up. Now we may never get these treasures out of here.
Help me get Davenport, Chris. He's the one who screwed you. He never had any interest in the artifacts. He's after the power crystal.
But no one is going to stop me, and certainly not you. Now, come on. Hand over that power crystal, or I'll put a bullet through the forehead of your friend over there.
Michael, stop him! You must stop him!
What's Laurie doing down here? I thought the Pharaoh took her back up to the compound. Davenport must have captured her. Or is she part of this?
Here. Now please, let Laurie go and let us leave here alive.
I don't mean to disappoint you, city boy, but the truth is, whether you and little Miss Egyptologist live or die does not interest me in the least. I have what I want. Now I'm very, very rich, and I'm out of here. The crystal, it's working, and it's...
Michael, you did it. You stopped him. And the treasures, they're all here. The find of the century. This makes Tutankhamun's treasures look like they came from Cracker Jacks. Michael, I think I've had it with field work.